Welcome back to Motor Insight. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Beta 250RX, a purpose-built off-road beast that's engineered for the toughest tracks and the wildest trails. Known for its raw power and minimalistic design, the RX 250 is Beta's take on the ultimate motocross-ready machine. Design and build quality. The 2025 Beta 250RX comes with a no-nonsense, race-inspired look. Its aggressive front fender, sharp shrouds, and clean frame design give it a professional race bike vibe. The bodywork is slim, which allows for easier movement whether you're scrubbing a jump or attacking a corner. High-quality plastics and a red-white color scheme dominate the aesthetic, staying true to Beta's signature look. Engine performance. This bike is powered by a 249 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine that delivers instant throttle response and punchy acceleration. It's designed for competitive riders who want quick power delivery and high-revving performance. The engine features a counterbalancer, reducing vibrations and providing a smoother ride, even in high RPM conditions. The 250RX is tuned for track aggression, fast, responsive, and unforgiving in the best way possible. Suspension and handling. Beta uses KYB suspension components on the RX 250, and it's a standout feature. The fully adjustable fork and shock allow riders to tune the setup for specific terrain and riding styles. On the track, the RX soaks up jumps, ruts, and whoops with confidence. The chassis is light and agile, making quick directional changes easy and intuitive. Whether you're riding technical sections or full-throttle straights, the bike remains composed and planted. Price and value. For a race-spec 250 cubic centimeters two-stroke, the 2025 Beta 250RX sits at a competitive price point. Considering the high-quality KYB suspension, performance-focused motor, and durable build, it's a strong value for riders who want a turnkey competition bike. It's ready to hit the track or trails without needing expensive upgrades right out of the gate. Final thoughts. The 2025 Beta 250RX is a serious machine for serious riders. It's not a weekend trail cruiser, it's a lightweight, aggressive, high-performance bike that demands rider input and rewards precision. If you're looking for a raw motocross experience and want a bike that performs right from the factory, this one earns its spot in your garage. That's all for today's deep dive on the 2025 Beta 250RX. For more honest reviews and performance-focused breakdowns, make sure to hit subscribe here on Motor Insight. Tap the like button if this bike impressed you, and drop a comment with your thoughts or questions. Until next time, ride safe, ride smart.